Let's make my corn tortillas. Really easy, guys. You need 240 grams of Mexican corn flour, and it has to be that one as well. And then basically 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Give it all a good mix, and then scorching hot water, a cup and a half, and incorporate that in and bring it together with a spatula or wooden spoon. Then you need to get your hands in there. Yes, they're going to get bloody burnt, but hey presto, I'm sure that you can deal with that. Make it into a nice round dough ball like so. Pop a tea towel over it and leave it to rest for a good 10 minutes. Now, little tip, with your corn press, wrap it in cling film. They will not stick. Each ball wants to be about 35 grams. And then basically, if you put baking papers between them, you can layer them until you cook them. And then it's a few minutes on each side. Wrap them in a tea cloth like this or foil. It will keep them nice and hot while you're batching them up. Hey presto, you're bloody done.